Former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul believes the potential Ethereum and one other asset is being massively underestimated by everyone. Raoul has never hidden his admiration about Ethereum and had remained bullish on the second largest crypto coin. Raoul also believes one other asset has great potential to create wealth for investors. Before we listen to Raoul, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you are yet to. Thanks for watching our videos.
What did asset prices do? Well, the NASDAQ, the exponential age stocks, these growthy technology stocks, are up 24%, 24.5%. The NASDAQ was up, 15, 18%. Then it was probably bonds were next at about 15%. Then it was probably oil. Then it was S&P. So you kind of got this scope of what performs. And that makes sense, right? These are beta, these are growth. But when you overlay crypto, Bitcoin did 100%. And Ethereum, did 300%. Now, go back to the conversation we had about when you've got an exponential trend of adoption, which is crypto, and the business cycle and liquidity cycle has taken the assets down to the bottom of the trend, your future expected return from this is bananas. So the future expected return, I think, out of Ethereum here is by far and away superior to anything else, that nothing will come close. So there is a world where you could construct a portfolio of long bonds, long crypto, but they're actually the same bet right now. That's the issue here. So you might as well take the long crypto. You can just size it differently. If you want to take a different bet, which I think would play into the discussion we had, Alf, is maybe you want to buy something to do with energy or copper. Copper's probably a good one, right? Because copper is discounted by the business cycle, unlike oil, which is not as discounted. We know there's a shortage to create EV. We know that Europe's going to massively force and accelerate this process. So in which case, copper is an issue at some point in the next business cycle, not now. So maybe you can have a barbell, which would be long copper, or long a copper, one of the big copper miners, that kind of stuff, like Rio's or whoever, and long Ethereum.
Raoul has always bet hugely on Ethereum. Just last September, he predicted that Ethereum would hit the $20,000 mark by March 2022. And barely 2 months later, he doubled down on his earlier prediction, claiming a 100% to 300% rally would be seen before the end of 2021. It is also worth mentioning that the second largest cryptocurrency constitutes the largest percentage of his crypto portfolio. The former Goldman Sachs executive holds about 70% of his portfolio in Ethereum, whereas he holds only a modest 5% in Bitcoin. Whatever might be the case, his recent predictions have proven to be incorrect, and the latest one might not be different either.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrust Capital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. Roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. Questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrust Capital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
What do you make of Raoul interview? Please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching.